Welcome, everyone. Today, we stand at a pivotal moment, a convergence of technology and community empowerment that can reshape our future. Across Africa and its global diaspora, we face challenges: fragmented governance, economic inequality, and divisive online narratives. But imagine a world where these barriers vanish, replaced by a united, vibrant community where every voice is heard. This is the vision of United Africa DAO, a platform that unites continental Africans, foundational Black Americans, Afro-Latinos, Caribbeans, and diasporic Africans in Europe, Asia, and Brazil to overcome division and build a new era of collective strength. United Africa. DAO is not just a technological innovation, it's a movement that redefines community governance. Our DAO harnesses blockchain, smart contracts, and decentralized applications to empower every member to participate, vote, and invest in projects that drive social and economic progress. By integrating a digital identity system, we ensure that Africans on the continent and those in the diaspora engage seamlessly in shaping our shared destiny. Consider this: continental Africa is home to approximately 1.4 billion people across 54 nations. When we add foundational Black Americans, around 42 million in the United States, plus an estimated 29 million Afro-Caribbeans, roughly 20 million Afro-Latinos, and another 50 million diasporic Africans living in Europe, Asia, and Brazil alone, we are looking at a combined population approaching 1.5 billion people spread across over 100 countries. Imagine if this vast and diverse demographic, with its dynamic cultures and entrepreneurial spirit, were united as one economic and political bloc. Such unity could yield a combined GDP that rivals or even exceeds $10 trillion, transforming global markets and elevating our collective bargaining power. In our digital age, social media can either unite or divide us. Today, discord and factionalism have become all too common, especially within our diverse diaspora communities. United Africa DAO offers a groundbreaking solution: a decentralized, transparent platform that diffuses digital conflicts by channeling collective decision-making. This is a space where foundational Black Americans, Afro-Caribbeans, Afro-Latinos, and Africans from the continent, as well as those living in Europe, Asia, and Brazil, unite not in competition, but in collaboration, driving innovation, sharing resources, and creating lasting economic bonds that uplift us all. Let's delve deeper into the economic impact of our united community. When 1.5 billion people join forces, the scale is unprecedented. This massive demographic, if harnessed as a single economic bloc, could command a market influence in GDP that challenges global superpowers. More than just numbers, this represents untapped entrepreneurial potential, innovation hubs, and a rebalancing of global economic power. By pooling our resources, skills, and capital, we have the opportunity to create a sustainable, self-sufficient economic ecosystem that supports startups, fosters technological innovation, and builds resilient communities. Beyond economics, our union promises a cultural renaissance, a healing of old wounds, and the end of digital diaspora wars. Imagine a platform where the shared heritage of foundational Black Americans, continental Africans, Afro-Latinos, Caribbeans, and diasporic Africans is celebrated through art, music, and storytelling. The United Africa Decentralized Autonomous Organization isn't just about transactions and technology, it's about culture, identity, and the power of collective memory. By fostering collaboration and creating spaces for cultural exchange, we can overcome divisive narratives and build bridges that connect communities across continents. This digital renaissance will not only unite us socially, but also fortify our collective identity and global influence. As we conclude, remember that with United Africa DAO, you're not merely adopting a new technology, you're joining a revolution for unity and prosperity. Envision a future where our 1.5 billion strong community drives global innovation, creates unprecedented economic opportunities, and rewrites the narrative of our digital lives. Together, we can transform the legacy of division into one of collaboration and shared success. Now is the time to join us, shape our future, and build an economic powerhouse that stands as a beacon of progress. United Africa DAO is the catalyst for a united, resilient, and prosperous future. Thank you for listening to my vision.